Hello everyone, in today's video we'll discuss why your Zoom video might flicker and how to fix it. Let's get started. One of the causes for this issue is a poor internet connection. An unstable or weak internet connection can cause your video to flicker. To fix this, check your internet speed to ensure it's compatible with the app's required speed limit. Contact your internet service provider if you're experiencing low speed. Switch to a wired connection by linking your device directly to your router for a more stable connection. Software issues can also contribute to a flickering video. Outdated software can lead to glitches in your video. To fix this, ensure you're using the latest version of the Zoom app. Update your Zoom app if necessary to improve your video quality. Close any apps running in the background that may cause conflicts with your device's software. Another reason could be hardware issues on your machine. Faulty hardware such as a damaged camera lens or cables can cause flickering. To fix this, inspect your camera lens and cables for any visible damage and replace them if necessary. Restarting your device can also help fix some hardware issues. Restart your device to reboot, which may resolve any underlying problems. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.